I'm really excited. We're in a Jeep Trackhawk, the first one we've had into our workshop. Now this is at the moment, completely standard vehicle. Customers brought it over to us from Victoria. We're looking to do, customers asking us to do a Hennessey package on it, which is an 850 horsepower package. Now in standard format, I believe these vehicles are around the 700 horsepower. So we're going to get quite a bit more performance out of it, quite a bit more in regards to 0 to 100 times and also track times. But I can tell you something, I've actually got goosebumps. These things in a standard format are amazing. First driving it, and I just had to go back to the workshop and grab one of the guys, and I said to him, just come out for a drive with me, have a feel of this thing. It is amazing. So if I can find a little bit of a stretch on the road here, I'll just give you some sort of feeling of what this thing is all about, what this Trackhawk is all about, and then later on we'll have a bit of a look at the Hennessey package and start to get a feel of the difference between standard and 850 horsepower. So just going down the back street at the moment. I won't do anything too crazy, but you know, we're in a big heavy car here, and I'm just gonna wait for this car to go past. Just feels so nice, so refined in here as well. We'll just get past these two vehicles. All right, let's give it a bit of fun. Now that is mind blowing. I don't know if you could sense that acceleration, but it is absolutely phenomenal from a standard big vehicle. It's probably the most fun I've had in a car for a little while now. It's just only because it's such a big vehicle. You're not used to that sort of acceleration. I'll just see if we can do it again. Okay, we got a little bit of a stretch of road here, not much, but here we go. My goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel, okay, that's enough. We haven't got enough road and there's too much traffic. But guys, I hope you get the sense of this vehicle. It is so exciting. I just can't wait to get our teeth into it. We're doing a Hennessey HPE850 package. Now that's exclusive to Street Fighter Australia. We'll do a little bit of a video. We might do a bit of a longer drive. I think we're going to need more road once this package is done, and give you some sort of a feeling before and after. See you soon. Here we are, guys, back in the Trackhawk. We've just finished the Hennessey 850 package. First time out on the road at the moment. I've just gone for a light cruise just to make sure all systems are go. We're just going to give it being a public road, we're just going to give it a little bit of a blip just to see what the difference is from previous just feeling that little bit of a light cruise. I can certainly hear the supercharger whine, so we'll just go up this road a little bit once a couple of the cars are cleared, and let's see if we can hear anything, and let's see what sort of power we get to the ground on. So just go into track mode, we'll go sports mode, paddle shift, we're in first gear. Jeep! Oh my goodness! Oh, well done, Hennessey! Oh my goodness! Well, that calibration is. I'll just sneak into the side street there. That calibration certainly is a step above standard. We just got knocked into the back of our seats on gear changes. And that's part of the Hennessey 850 package. So not only have you got the power, you've got the transmission shift. So, wow. All right, here we go. We'll give it a little bit of a spurt. Clear road. Won't do more than 60. My goodness. Well done, Hennessey. Oh, that is exhilarating. That transmission, not only the engine power, but that transmission, that just changes this whole vehicle from what it was before, which was a monster, to something that I'm sure will now do 10 seconds, you know, high 10s, mid 10s. That is phenomenal. I'm highly impressed. I'll just get this back to the workshop, and we'll let the boys know how good a package this is. So there you have it.